All right, ladies and gents, we have winner semis of MISFIRE coming up. The other match for us today is going to be iModerz versus Dom. iModerz getting here through Noe 3. Oh, no, sorry, Joj. And Dom getting here through yours truly, the salty Falcon player.
Okay, there's no way that's a thing. Down throw, up smash?
No way! He DI'd it. He DI'd it. Like, he had to DI it. So, right off the bat, Fox Bayo, notoriously not the most fun time for Fox.
Right.
But
it's fine as long as you don't get hit.
We almost just saw some bad times. But as far as like records go between these two, I think the last time Dom beat MISFIRE was either never, which I think I am wrong about, or way long time ago.
Way back.
Way back. So we'll see if Dom can change things here for himself. Oh, he almost read the which time's not the best positioning to do that, but he's working his way back.
iModerz just waiting for these aggressive options from Dom off the edge.
And he just says, get off my ledge, and Bayo's like, no, I'm coming back because I'm Bayo. Okay.
There was, again, another aggressive option that I feel like iModerz just wasn't prepared for that specific one.
Yeah, that was a good nair in his face. I'll give him that. All right. Yep.
All right, yep, lands with lag, gets that down air.
Put those sketchers across her face. Fucking
back air.
Wheelies. All right. Is this fair to death? No, he missed it. No.
Oh.
It doesn't matter. He gets
the first fair, and he gets the second one anyway.
He can still get it because of Bayo, but I'm not going to be biased on my commentary. You know,
if at first you don't succeed, try again.
First you don't Bayo. But, you know, we're going to try to keep it as non-biased as possible here, folks. I just know that I do not like either of these characters.
iModerz doing a fantastic job of sticking to his normal patient game plan and letting Dom try to hang himself. Kind
of hang himself, yeah, with these, like you said earlier, these really aggressive side Bs on the stage, these really aggressive you're going to come at me options. Again, he tried the Dom special, the background shield and the side B. iModerz not falling for it. Nice. He is, oh my lord. Okay, well, I was going to say,
oh,
is this it?
This could be bad. Oh, and that's going to be it.
My lord. Okay, well, as I was saying that, Dom goes up 4-0. He just got caught in, I'm not going to say a vortex, but he just kept him above him. And, oh yeah, that's what I was going to say. Dom's doing a really good job so far of whenever iModerz is above.
Right.
He has instantaneous uppy reactions to get him before he can come down with anything or like get away from him. So, iModerz
is having a really hard time just landing against this Bayonetta.
Yes, so we will see if Dom can keep it up. It really just depends on what we can see from him. Obviously choosing Battlefield. Dom might have banned Town, maybe because he didn't want to die earlier, but I mean, hey.
Maybe Lilac? No.
But I mean, hey, I understand the Bayo Fox Battlefield pick because you can up air me, but I can up air the hell out of you too.
Right.
Still, similar to start what we saw last time. Dom doing Bayo things, doing Bayo moves. Oh, nice F tilt there. Nice recognition. Up air, yep.
So the thing that Dom is going to be looking for in neutral here is just some sort of launcher to get iModerz above him. Because you saw that second stock in the previous game, essentially all of the percent that Dom did get was from catching landings and air-to-airing iModerz.
Yeah. It was all air-to-airing and catching his landings. Uh-oh.
Ooh. And there's a starter he was looking for, but it's not going to result in the finisher.
All right, gets up B, the classic. All right, he's just going to, oh, well, yeah, he's just going to land. Yep. Because the DI.
Just lets it reset.
The rage was also probably a factor there. Yep. Xander staying patient, staying low to the ground. Takes his stock with the up smash. Dom has work to do, but it's not impossible for Bayo, especially not in this matchup. All right. Misses it there, but again...
Good DI from iModerz.
Yeah, his DI has been on point minus the end of the last game, so we'll see. Yep, there it is again. All right, nice job getting out of that. All right,
all right, that's probably definitely going to be his stock.
Yep. Dom mixing it up, Xander rolling his eyes, like, okay, well, this character's Dom, so I'm going to beat Xander and Xander about it. But that's okay, Xander. I share your opinions on the matter. Regardless.
Regardless. Xander is up right now. iModerz sitting at that pretty 0%.
All right, up air again. Oh. I don't know if that was SDI in the first hit, like Hunger Box and Melee. But that was okay. Walk away for 2 seconds, and
Dom is dead.
All right.
iModerz swinging with a JV2 game 2.
All right. These guys are swinging at each other. iModerz, despite the ending of the first game, showing that he's keeping, I feel like, more of a grasp on the game than Dom is right now.
Right.
Dom is going to have to sneak out some more defensive reactive options, I feel, in order to bring this back and maybe gain more momentum to carry into the fourth. Yeah, the fourth game. But we'll see what happens. Again, yep, he's just backing up a little. A nice dash attack. Nice dash attack again.
And that full hop, I don't know if it was intentional or not, but it goes back to that trend of Dom just anti-airing or air-to-airing iModerz. Anytime he jumps, that tends to be bad for him.
Yes, it really does.
And Dom is trying to prey on all...
Again, really not, I wouldn't say the best option because Zero, you can get scooped right up out of that, or low percents, but MISFIRE making me shut up with, oh, he really wanted the hard read. The balloon messing up everything once more.
And staying very patient for the Bayo landing. Doesn't try to punish it preemptively, just goes for a safe punish, waits out that down air.
We'll see, okay, another, well, you know, the grab doesn't work, but he's gonna grab again.
Yep.
Air dodge getting through the back air. All right, nice nair, nice reactive move to get off me. All right.
Lands right in front of him. And
not looking good. Oh, wow, just...
But not that bad yet. iModerz with a second lease on life. Let's see what he can do with it.
Runs up and grabs.
The classic. Stand-up uppy.
Stand-up uppy.
Oh, that was a great tomahawk from iModerz.
All right, that was a good drop down there to recognize that Xander was probably going to go for something like that. All right, they're just feeling each other out. This is so pivotal. This game is so important. No one wants to give up this first stock.
And this next hit is incredibly pivotal to this game.
Nice neutral win by Xander. A nice cross up. Jab, jab, up smash.
Jab, up smash.
All right. The first one shielded, the second one hit, and that leads to the connection.
Okay, so at this point...
Oh, my lord. He really wanted to catch him. All right,
so at this point, iModerz is getting his Vortex started again, and Dom needs to avoid eating really any more percentage before taking the stock off if he wants to be able to just keep up and win this game in a solid manner.
The drag down dive kick, probably not the best idea. All right.
But again, iModerz just staying patient with all of these options.
Then they're not going to beat it out the up air from below. Again, oh my god, even such a tear there. But again, he wants to kill him now.
And you see, that patience is rewarded. iModerz almost lapping Dom in percent here.
F smash it, no.
Another aggressive option coming out from Dom, but this time it was the right one.
All right, this might be the stock. I don't know why he didn't go for the upper in the first one, but it's okay.
I don't think he had, he didn't have his double jump.
All right, nice snare, all right.
Nair's gonna do that, 106%. All right,
game 3. Now, Xander can make me shut up right now.
What? Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Can I just finish this match first? Yeah, it's best of 5.
Dom went for it all there, and he paid the price. That whole sequence, I had my breath held because I was scared that it was going to be over for MISFIRE, but Dom just messed up.
Yeah.
And like I said, he paid the price. But... Yo, he got him to like 50-60% on that last string. I was scared. You know Xander was scared. He's not going to tell you he was, though. But we'll see what happens. What do you think they're going to go for the next stage? You think they're going to run it back? You think they're going to go to maybe FD? No, they're running it back.
No point in speculating. They're running it back.
They're running it back. I have Xander taking this, but I do believe that it can go to a Game 5 set. Dom, again, just
We saw the first game, how Dom can clutch these things out.
He just needs to be more patient.
He needs to find an answer to MISFIRE just staying back and just waiting for stuff and punishing it like that.
Yes.
He needs to find a way to safely pressure MISFIRE into a panic option.
Whether that be like spamming down tilt hold and neutral, or nice hip check to cover the tech in place. Again, dash attack, F air, rising.
Because we just keep seeing iModerz is playing with a lead, however slight, in essentially every game, and he's comfortable just staying back and letting Dom make the first move.
Again, just like you said earlier in the set, he's just letting him hang himself.
Yeah.
He's just like, come at me, I'm going to nick and dime you with all these little moves.
Ooh, okay.
Oh my lord, that would have been sick if you had a little bit more percent, because it would have dragged him down. The angle would have been really good for him.
Okay, and just like that, this game is evened back up.
Oh, see that? It's just, oh my lord. Again, he read the back air, and then... All right.
This is so tense.
Oh god, that's so scary. Oh, well, he's not dead yet. but the next one at the ledge
No
will
double
probably do
jump.
it.
Tries to go for another aggressive option off of ledge. And MISFIRE going to catch that one,
Pays
too.
for it. Oh my god, he just lets him land.
That wasn't the conversion. That was some new stuff.
That was some new stuff. That was kind of disgusting to look at, but we take those, I guess. There we go. So anyone's game at this point. One witch time could lead to death. One fair footstool could lead to death. Tensions are high here.
And
these nairs starting to nick him a little bit. I think Dom is starting to figure out. Oh well, he was figuring out. Maybe these nairs are the answer. Nice perfect shield in that. All right, nice jab.
These heel slides keep getting punished.
Really questionable option there. Yeah, he's just panicking. Yep. Gets
And
in the
now
vortex.
comes the Fox Vortex.
Yep. Okay, just lands. All right, this is where he needs to make a count. Oh lord, if he got him like.
Oh, but he gets round 2.
Round 2.
Round 2.
All right. This is
round 2 on the Bayo.
This feels like prime Bayo. I'm gonna kill you %. Not gonna lie. Nice tomahawk again. Xander is showing good skill taking care of those tomahawks.
And he's doing. Oh
no.
Gets hit on the platform, but falls out. Great SDI.
Yep, that's it.
And that's gonna be it. 3-1 for iModerz.
I don't think I saw a handshake either.
I accidentally switched this to winners round 2, but
that is okay.
we'll switch that back to winners semis. That was winners semis. 3-1 iModerz over Dom. And we're gonna get some new commentators on here. Was a pleasure.